This is a quick video for those who want to record through your macros and you want to know how you can do your macros with your SCUF controller. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm just going to get to the chase, not waste any time, to just show you how to do it. You can create a new profile as well for this, and you press right here. Then you're going to go over to mappings. So go to custom, then you're going to click, then you're going to click the side right here, then you're going to go down to macro. When you press macro, right, you go down to macro, there's a record button. So if you want to do a drop shot, you press control and you press record to save it. So make sure you stop it and save it. For example, you can go ahead and just remove this. Let's delete all delays. So if you wanted to do it fast, if you want the macros to go fast or slow, it records the delays. So depending on how fast you press it or how slow you press it, it's gonna do it. So for me, I'm just gonna press jump, 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 right? Slowly. And then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna assign the macro. You can assign it to any of these buttons. Any of these buttons with the plus. You can even assign the macros to a left button or a right button, but I wouldn't recommend it adding it to a left button, right? You add your macro to, I don't know, like a back button, right? Like a button right here, and you can assign the macros here. Then you can go over here and you can save it. So you can call it, I don't know, like jump 3 times, jump 3x, and then it will save the macro. So what's gonna happen is, if I go to I'm gonna go to my gamepad tester and I'm gonna press that macro, and it's gonna jump 3 times, right? It's gonna press that, it's gonna jump, jump, jump. So see, jump, jump, jump. It moves my cam. See, jump, jump, jump. It's gonna jump 3 times. So it's space, space, space. So you're using the keyboards. Using your keyboard as well as using your controller at the same time, but using your keyboard to jump, 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 while using your controller to aim. So you can use your controller and your keyboard at the same time. That's the advantage that you have with the SCUF Envision, right? And that is exactly how you can go ahead and do your macros. Hey you, thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, consider hitting that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. It helps me know that the channel is also growing. If you want to support the channel even more and you're in the market for a new controller, I sell custom controllers. They're in the description. You can also purchase a fully customized controller from Hex Gaming using my code Jason. That helps out the channel a lot. I also have my affiliate link in the description with all the gadgets that I use to make all these amazing videos. Bye for now and see you in the next video.